Hey, good morning, Gabby. This is Wednesday. Looking at the agenda, you are going to reread The Ravine. Hopefully you read that yesterday and got that on your iPad. If you didn't, you need to be sure and email me because we're going to be using that book, the collections, stories throughout the year. So you have to have that. We're going to fill out a story map together here in class, and I will send that to you. After you reread it, there are some questions that are on the Google form from yesterday. You need to go do those first. There's some questions about the characters and the setting, so you need to do those. And when you're finished, there are some guiding questions, and there are actually 20 of them. We are going to do some in class, and so I will let you know which ones you don't have to do. So before you start, be sure and look at your emails because some of them we're going to do together. Some of them are a little bit hard. Okay, so you need to restate. So writing complete sentences. We're going to finish 1-3. I have sent you both of those in Google Classroom Social Studies using the book. There is one sheet on vocabulary. There are 7 words. I believe 4 of them they give you the definitions to. 3 you can use your book. There are words that are highlighted in yellow. And to fill in those, the directions say you can use the words more than one time because there are 8 blanks in only 7 words. And you can also put an ED on the end of some of them to make them past tense. The other true, false, there are only 4 true. So 4 of them you will just put a T beside. The other 6, they're all false, and you have to restate them to make them true. You will use in the book Chapter 1, Section 3, pages 26 through 30 to do that. They're almost word for word in that section, so be sure and look carefully. And when you put an F, you will have to restate it. You have to restate what it says, but change. Most of the time, you're just changing one word. Okay? If you have questions, let me know. How you're doing those is hopefully on your iPad. You can open up those that I've sent to you. They're in a Google slide. And you'll be able to open that up and click on that A. Remember, you click on the pencil and click on the A down at the bottom. That lets you type. Don't click on the pencil on the second. You click the pencil, and then you try to write with your finger. That's impossible. You'll have to click on that little A that's on the right-hand side. And if you have problems with that, let me know. Okay? All right, so hopefully you're staying caught up and getting these things done so you don't get too far behind. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.